Hey gamers, and I am playing Don't Press the Button.
Someone
Okay.
pressed a button, probably.
Okay, somebody press the button. Wait, this reminds me of something.
What?
I don't know, I can't put my finger on it.
You're literally putting your finger on the camera.
Oh yeah, that actually is true, but I can't tell. Okay, so I'm playing Don't Press the Button. And I fell down. Okay, let's get up. And I died. Sound like me.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. me. Okay, it's gone. No! I have to reconnect Sad Like Me.
Sad life.
I know, sad life. Dun 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 dun
Wait,
dun
can I show
dun.
something?
What?
I'm on Poke Stadium.
Okay.
It's a website.
Okay.
You're ready to see how much Arceus there are? Are you ready?
Okay. Ooh, nice.
What do you
Okay.
mean nice?
Okay.
You should be raged. You know.
Okay, so
Arceus,
This-
Arceus. Dude,
wait.
there's so much Arceus.
oh, there's okay, let's try again. Quick, go to one of the corners. Okay. Okay. Well, that's what it says. I'm just in a box. Okay, I glitched the game. Somebody, okay. Run! Run!
Help me.
There are like I don't know, meteorites falling out of the sky. Oh my god, I almost got hit by one. Everybody's just standing. I died. I'm coming towards you are.
Oh,
Okay, I'm coming towards this guy. Okay.
no. Can I slap
Okay.
your nan? That's what the creator is named. The creator
Okay.
is actually named Can I Slap Your Nan?
Okay, I'll go on green. I trust green. And I died. Why are you playing
Pokemon Insurgents!
Oh.
Pokemon Insurgents!
What is wrong with you? Okay, 3, 2, 1, you're dead. Time's up. Great job on serving. Okay.
Serving? Survivor! Let's go!
Oh, there's a house. What is it gonna do?
Okay.
Oh.
My team is new. Okay.
Damn, life. Banana! Next one, banana! Okay.
Do you know that, Kurt? Do you know that?
Yeah, I know that meme. Okay. Now I have to jump over these lasers.
Can I slap
And I died. Wait, she touched it! What? That's just a meanie. That's mean.
That's a meanie.
That's just a meanie. So my friend is playing Roblox.
Yep. Hi, I'm playing Roblox. Tato.
And he doesn't want to play with me.
Dude, I don't like. Don't press the button. I've played it before.
Yeah?
Yeah, I have.
How do you know?
I've played it before. you basically can get spawn killed. And you know what? I felt getting spawn killed because I was getting spawn killed. It was so
No, I died.
100 Robux.
I died.
Guys, I recommend you to play Pokemon Insurgents on Roblox.
Really?
No. Not even close. Wait, wait. How much damage does Tackle do?
Wait, what? Oof! What?
He confuses.
Again,
Tackle go.
jump. Oh, I just survived. Just survived. Where's the
Whoa! Dude,
Doge?
look at my back.
Hey, wait, where's the? Oh, there's a Doge.
Sinead, look at my
Doge, get off of here. Go.
Sinead Gamer, look at my name back. Look how fast he is. Wait, look at this. Yeet. I know that is faster than the speed of a Cheeto.
Really?
Yeah.
It's fast.
You know good.
Oh no, the button's gone.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh no, the button. Where's the button? Oh, I see the Doge. Hey, Doge.
Someone already pressed it.
I see. Wow. I saw the Doge. I found the Doge. R.I.P. Doge.
Groudon,
Bye bye, Doge. R.I.P. Doge. Baldy. Wait, what? Wait, who sings Slap Slap Slap?
That's the music box. Or not music box, the game music.
No, that's what. Oh, Baldy just died.
Dude, my game bat died. I mean, almost died. So he was on 1 HP.
What's going? Oh no! There is 2 bombs on a. What? There's a bomb and a bomb.
They're the double bomb.
I know there's a double bomb.
Okay. Oh, BRB. I'm gonna BRB.
What do you mean? Oh, okay. So I am barely surviving this. Double coin. No. He's just sad that she died. Are you okay?
I like singing. I like dancing. I like trains.
Wait, where's the train? Oh, that's just glitchy. Again. Oh, I just barely survived. Okay. So, quick, get to the platform. Okay. Okay, after this level, I am gonna end the video. Okay, so. Bye.